Hello Year 1, welcome to our second lesson, our Tuesday lesson of Maths Telling the Time. We have William Wolf back with us to help us with our learning today. Now, William was saying that he was super duper impressed with how beautifully you managed to tell those times and all of those lovely activities you did yesterday, and he wants to just check what you remember about telling the time. So we're going to play What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? So you can say, what's the time, Mr. Wolf? He's going to show you a time and then you're going to call out what that time is. Then we might do that many jumps or actions to show that amount of hours. Okay, let's start. So William Wolf is showing a time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Can you tell me, boys and girls? Well done, it is 5 o'clock. Can you do 5 jumps on the spot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at William Wolf's time now. Can we ask him after 3? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Well done. It is 8 o'clock this time. Can you stretch your arms up to the sky 8 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great work, William Wolf. Okay, let's play again. Shall we ask him after 3? 1, 2, 3. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time, boys and girls? Well done. It is 6 o'clock. So this time, could you stand up and bend your knees? And we're going to bend our knees 6 times to show 6 hours in that time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Should we do just one more, William? Well done. They're really good at this, aren't they? You are brilliant at this, boys and girls. You are super at telling your own clock times. Okay, last one. Should we ask him after 3? 1, 2, 3. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What time is it, boys and girls? Well done. It is 12 o'clock. So this time, standing up in a space, and we're going to run on the spot for the count of 12. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Brilliant. Well done. Didn't they do a fantastic job, William? Yeah, he thought you were brilliant. Well done, boys and girls. You can sit down now. We're going to move on with the next part of our learning for today. So we know that you're experts at telling o'clock time, so we're going to move on to our half past times. Okay, so the clocks look a little bit different when we show our half past times. Does anybody know where our big hand, our blue hand, points to on our clocks when it is half past? Well done, boys and girls. It points to the 6. So can you use your clock to point to half past? So just your big hand needs to point at half past. That's halfway through the hour. So if we're counting, we move around 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Each of these numbers is the same as 5 minutes. So if we count in 5s, I know we haven't done very much of this at school, we can see how many minutes that will be showing. So let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's showing us 30 minutes past the hour. Now, different to when we have o'clock times, when it is half past a time, we do not have the hour hand pointing exactly at the hour. It actually passes the hour. It will be between the 2 hours. So this is the icky tricky facts that you have to keep in your head, that when it is half past the hour, that our hour hand will be past the hour that it is showing. So it would have just moved past it. We haven't moved to the second hour, so past 2 o'clock yet. We will still be in the first hour, the 1 o'clock. So this time shows us, what do you think? Does it show us 1:30 or 2:30? What do you think, William? He thinks it shows us 2:30. What do you think, boys and girls? No, you're wrong, William. That's okay, we're all learning. It is 1:30. The hour is just gone past the number 1 hour, so it's 1:30. Can you show me, or sorry, can you tell me what this time shows? 1:30, remember we're looking at the hour, it has just passed. It's not quite at the 4th hour yet, it's just gone past this hour, so it's 3:30. Well done. How about now? Just gone past the 5th hour. 5:30. Well done. So we keep moving around. So we've just moved past the 7th hour. What does this show us? 7:30. Well done. William has got a time here on our board. What does this time show us? Let's look at this big clock. What do you think it shows us, William? Okay, well done. So it shows us 10:30. So it's just gone past the 10th hour. And this is written in words as half. So we use our phonics to sound out half past, and then we've got the word 10, or you could write the number 10. So when it's 1/2 the hour, we write the words half past, just like when we're finding half of things, it's spelled the same way. 1/2. Sorry about my wobbly t there. 1/2. So all of our times today are going to be concentrating on 1/2 the hour. Do you think, boys and girls, that you can show me 8? So maybe when you're getting ready to go to school, getting your shoes on, 8:30 in the morning or 8:30 in the evening, when you are hopefully in bed asleep or going to sleep. What does 8:30 look like? So remember, where does the hour hand have to be? The long hand, sorry, the short hand. Does it have to be past a number? And where does the minute hand have to be? Where does the long hand have to be? Okay, have you made that for me, William? Oh, okay, William's made a time 8:30. Is he correct? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Well done, William. That does show 8:30. You are a bit of a superstar. Well done. Could you, boys and girls, next show me 11:30? So where will our minute hand be, our long hand? If it's 8:30, it's always pointing at the, well done, at the 6, and it will be past the hour. So it's 11:30 this time. What do you think, William Wolf? He's got a time here. Is he correct? Well done, William Wolf. That does show 11:30. You are such a superstar. Just like you, boys and girls, you're brilliant at finding 11:30. Right, next time, could you show me 3:30? William Wolf, can you show me 3:30 on your clocks as well? Okay, William, show the boys and girls what time you have made. Does this show 3:30? Oh no, William, you've made a mistake. You're thinking about our o'clock times from yesterday. This shows, what does it show, boys and girls? It shows 3 o'clock. You're absolutely right. Well done, boys and girls. If it's 3:30, how do we need to change the hour and the minute hand? So it's 3:30, so it's gone past the hour. So it's gone past the 3, it's in between the 3 and the 4. So where does our minute hand have to be? Well done, at the 6. Well done, boys and girls. Let's do one more, just to make sure that William Wolf's getting it just right. Can you show me 12:30? Okay, show me your clocks in 3, you as well, William, 2, 1, 12:30. Is William correct? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Well done, William, you're absolutely correct. It's past the hour of 12 and it's pointing at the 6 because that's showing it's halfway round our hour. It's 12:30. Brilliant work today, boys and girls. Let's just do some quick telling the time. I'm going to show them to you really quick and you can shout out what the time is. 3, 2, 1, shout out. Well done, 2:30. It's going to be quick now. 3, 2, 1. What does it show? Well done, 10:30. 3, 2, 1, go. Well done, it's past the 8, so it's 8:30. Last one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's tricky, isn't it? We can't see that hour hand very clearly. We have to have a careful look. Okay, what time is it showing? It's just poking out past the 6. It is showing us 6:30. Well done, boys and girls. You are really good at telling 12:30 times. I've got one problem solving activity before I explain your activities for today. Okay, so I was talking to William about all the different things we do in the day that might be at different times. He wondered what times you at home you do things. So he was really interested. So on your clocks, using your clocks, can you show me a time that you might have dinner, a 12:30 time, not an 8 o'clock today, a 12:30 time that you might have your dinner at home? Can you show me yours? Brilliant. Now in my house, we usually have dinner at this time. What's this time? What time is it, William? 5:30. You are a superstar. Well done. So we usually have our dinner at this time, which is 5:30. And I saw some of you boys and girls have your dinner at 5:30 too. And sometimes, if it's a weekend, we might have it a little bit later. We might have it at this time. What's this time, boys and girls? Do you know, William? Well done, 6:30. Okay. Some of you maybe would have your dinner a little bit later at this time, 7:30, or maybe even a little bit earlier at 4:30. You might have it at an 0 time as well, but we're thinking about 12:30 times today. So well done if you showed that. The other thing he wondered is what time you might have your lunch. He's always thinking about food, aren't you, William? You're always a bit hungry. What time do you think you might have your lunch at 12:30 time? So if you're in school, this will be the time that we'd just be finishing eating and going out for our play. What time would you have your lunch? So it's usually after 12 o'clock, isn't it? Usually after midday when we go for our lunch. So at school, we'll be finishing our lunch at this time. Can you show me? It would be at it's the wrong time. Sorry, mismade. Silly. 12:30. Or maybe when you're at home, maybe you get all your learning done in the morning and you might have a little bit of a later lunch at 1:30. Well done. Or maybe you get super hungry, just like William here, when you're busy working and doing your homeschooling. You might have an early lunch maybe sometimes at this time. What does this time show us? Well done, 11:30. Now, for your activities today, we would like to see how you can tell 12:30 time. So there are 3 different activities for you, and there is also a link to a game that you can play that is on your overall plan that you can have a go at as well. So if you're finding it a bit icky tricky like William Wolf did at the beginning, if you want a little bit more practice, you can have a go at the 12:30 board game. So there is instructions for how you move. You have to read the time to be able to stay on that square. If you think, oh, I think I understand how to make and tell 12:30 times, I would like to have a go at writing the times 12:30. You can have a go at this sheet today. So you are looking at the times and writing the time that it shows 12:30 and then the hour that it's gone past. Okay, and for your more challenging activity today, I'm going to give you a mixture of 12:30 and 0 times to draw those hands on your sheet. Okay, So on that sheet you will be drawing your big hand at the 6 if it's past, or your big hand at the 12 if it's o'clock. If it's an o'clock time, it will be pointing exactly at the number, the hour, and if it's past, it should have gone past, and it'll be a little bit shorter going past the hour. You can have a go at using those blue and red pencils or pens to help you as well. Right, we can't wait to see all of your maths telling the time past work today, and send them to us as normal, and we will see you for another telling the time activity tomorrow. Goodbye, boys and girls. Say goodbye.